Left-footed players must learn to use their right foot. Left-footed players basile kahle kahle. Basile bayasidlisa. You can't ukuthi wena usabu Haaland. No. You can't want this guy bekakhavare la eze azomakala. There is no one here. Last two asenzanga nix. Perfect. Smelling the danger. Yenzani he recovers. Uba kuphi uba la. But now you can't tunusela a person. Why umtunusela? Yena uskenile ayi-1. Skenile on the left hand side. Kanti kuza ingadlangadla yomuntu. Iyamqeda kanti kuzo umuntu ngalo. England yenzani? Yahamba ithatha ibhola. Umakile la. Ngithi Bellingham akamakanga muntu or he was picking up this guy. This guy makes a run kwenye indawo. Now this guy bafethu. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Bafana Pumile World Cup. So I'm just going to do a few quick ones. I'm going to do Brazil versus Norway, England versus Mexico. Just a few things that I saw. Brazil could have won this game. Besides a penalty that they missed. They had a chance here. Great chance. I always say, Uti, left-footed players must learn to use their right foot. Left-footed players basile kahle kahle. Basile bayasidlisa. Because if you watch here, let me take it back. If you watch his first touch, he could have used inyawo lakhe laka right to bring the ball back. Bring it back right, left wakho. Then you can shoot. But wenzani he tries, he uses, not good he tries. He uses his left foot. Why didn't angasebenzisa inyawo lakhe laka right? Because manje ugcina uyenzani ulicontroller kabuhlungu liba la, and then his second touch lenzani ulipusha kakhulu ba. Now the goalkeeper is here. Goalkeeper maseka la, there's no chance for you to ungamrounda. The only thing that you have to do is try and chip the ball goalkeeper. But kwenzakalani ibhola liphumela ngaphandle siyadliwa siyekhaya. First goal yaka Haaland, right? Ball on the right hand side. We have to do better defending there. We no matter you are a winger, you can't defend. You can't. This is not defending. This is definitely not defending. Even the right back here, the center back, bafethu. Baslisile. Brazil is lisile. Now let me take it back. Okay, sharp. Forget about the left wing. Now, this is the right back. The right back, you can't. This person who crosser people are more right. But when uvule space this side for him, uvule space this side for him to just cross the ball here. Why didn't you block this side so that at least make him go to the touchline? And remember, a touchline is the teammate of the defender and of the defending team. But you are giving him space this side. Then again here, the center back. When you are playing against Abu Haaland or any striker, you need to feel the striker. You can't give him time. You can't give him this space. You can't. You need to feel him. Because if I feel back cross a ball, he's got time and space to move towards the ball. And at the time when we are tinta, sekale phezulu phakathi inside. Second goal. Now, bola goes there. This guy ukavarile angithi. Ukavarela. Now it's 1 against 2. Now, mfana kithi. You can't be scared of you can't ukuthi wena usabu Haaland. No. You can't want this guy bekakhavarela eze azomakala. There is no one here. Last two asenzanga nix. Akunamuntu. Then you can't want this guy eze la. Wena ukhona urelaxing. Yeah, you are standing. Mfana ngithi. Noma sekushiwo. Uyu one man. Why didn't you go and press? This was a simple press. Go and press. Don't wait for this guy to. Don't wait for me. Why are you waiting for him? Mexico versus England. Now here, look at Bellingham. This is the guy that scores the goal, right? Bellingham scores the goal. Now the right back needs to come and carve and it sharp. Ball goes wide. This guy recognizes good. Man, he can smell the danger. Need perfect. Smelling the danger. Yenzani, he recovers. Uba gupi, uba la. But now you can't tunusela a person. Why tunusel? Instead of Gutin coming back and jogging or facing in this direction, now Bellingham lang it. So now you can see the man, you can see the ball, you can see the man. Not this we am tunusel, we am block. No. Now right back as well, sharp. There is no one. The winger is this side. Where now you need to defend this spot. You're not defending umuntu. You're defending the goal post. That's what defenders don't get. I'll defend mutu how and how na mutu mo awanyala. You are always defending the goal post. Even if umuntu akho ule, you must come back and defend emapali. And it's sharp. Saka uyenzani? Saka nuke. Cross. Look at these two. Uyablame, uyakhangeza, ublame umuntu. Great cross. Saka nuke. Angithi. This guy uyamiyekela, nalo uyamiyekela. Bafethu. Midfielder imiyekeli because ubhizi uyamdunusela. Angithi. Now the right back, you are the one who's supposed to cover. You always cover your center backs. You defend the goal post. I'll defend the mutu. Second goal in England. Baba bambing a quickie. Just after conceding, quick goal is two. Baba press it. This guy comes in here ufuni ball and it. Now, this is the guy that got them this goal. The new player Yemen City. Bought by 100 and something million, sharp. Now, what comes, this guy, what he does, what he did here, okay, it's in England. Press, Baltat, cross, Pagat, inside. Now, simple thing, G. Scanning, as a midfielder, you are scanning one side fella munna. We're now scanning one side fella. Why are you scanning one side? You can't be scanning inside anyone fella. This guy, he scans left hand side. And who scan ngapha left? You must always scan before you go and receive the ball. You must scan ngapha nangapha. Mauya, you scan ngapha nangapha. Yena uscanile I1. Scanile on the left hand side. Kanti hey, kuza ingadlangadla yomuntu iyamqeda kanti kuza umuntu ngalo. England yenzani? Yahamba ithatha ibhola. This guy here tries to foul uGordon, but at the same time he pokes the ball. England yenzani? Yahamba ikora igol is 2. If you are a midfielder, there's nothing wrong playing the ball, guys, in the middle, but the person who's calling for the ball needs to scan, always scanning. When you are in the box, when it's a free kick, when it's a corner kick, you have to know umuntu wakho ukuthi ukuphi. Akere umuthweri. Now watch this guy here. Angithi ummakile la. Ngithi Bellingham akamakanga muntu, or he was picking up this guy. This guy makes a run kwenye indawo. Now this guy, bafethu, he's the one that won the ball in the middle. Anderson, angithi. Now, bafethu, you can't let umuntu wakho ahambe. Uyamiyekela. I free kick le, I corner kick. You can't ball watch. You need to know where is your person. Lo muntu ommakile. Yeah, anyala mara ke motho wa hae. Amonyala mara ke motho wa hae. Now look what happened. Bola balidlala. Bellingham good recovery. Bellingham good recovery. He won them this game. Besides nje i2 goals. Performance yakhe. But umakile motho la tshwarana and then wamutwela. Umutwela for man. Final clip bese ngiyayivala. England got a red card. Was it a red card? It was a red card. Even if let's say abantu bathe it's not a red card, you must get a red card for stupidity. Now, I don't bafethu. Okay, sharp. Nali bola la. There's no way you could see this guy couldn't kick the ball first. And what happens here is uthinta ibola ngepotrisi or with this part, but he ends up kicking the guy there. Let me take it back. Watch. Gadla. Uyamshaya, but why angazange akhahlele ibola? That's why he must get a red card for stupidity. Uyabona ukuthi we are under pressure wena ufuna ukukhahlela umuntu. Why ungazange ukhahlele ibola? Usifaka under pressure for nothing. This guy should be fined. Because there's no reason for him not to kick the ball back. Uyekela ibola uyokhahlela umuntu. Why? Utheni? Uthe uzokupha amasamusa or something after the game. Bafethu. Look at this. Nali ibola la. Uyaliyekela ibola ufuna ukuyokhahlela umuntu. Kanti unalizwanga. Thank you for watching, Bafethu. I can't wait for Betway Premiership ibuye. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Please join and become a member. Thank you for your support. Ngiyabonga.